Hello everyone, I am Kay Siong. I'm the presenter and writer of this advanced level physics program. I am from Kuala Lumpur. In 1981, I graduated from University Malaya in Malaysia with a Bachelor in Science. I like teaching and I've been teaching since the 1980s. I always believe that the teacher teaching a subject must have a very good command of the content knowledge so that the teacher can share this knowledge with the students whenever required. In order for me to enhance my content knowledge, I've taught in a private college in Malaysia, and I've written academic texts for publishers in Singapore and Malaysia. My teaching philosophy is very simple. It is understanding first, followed by memorization. In part 2, we discuss the chapters in this A-level physics. The advanced level physics in paper 9072 consists of 14 chapters as shown here. This course is mainly for students taking the Cambridge examination 9072. It is based on the latest syllabus. Students taking other examination boards can still use the notes. These are the 14 chapters. And then this is the breakdown of the chapters in more detail. The video will follow the numbers listed here. The review is to do passive questions. In part 3, we discuss the course. The course for each chapter is composed of 2 main sections. A is the notes, B is the question. For the note part, almost 57% of the course content is on notes. The focus is to help the students to be familiar with the requirements of the syllabus. Very often, students find solving examination questions a big problem. This could be because the students do not know the concepts and the formulae needed to solve the problems. The objective of the notes is to raise the confidence of the students. The notes provide an opportunity for the students to learn scaffolding so that the student can engage in critical thinking in the future and apply what they already know to understand things they do not understand yet. And this is a page of the video on notes extracted from electric potential. The second part of the course involves doing questions. About 43% of the course is on solving examination questions. More than 170 questions are used. The course emphasizes equally on the notes and solving examination questions. This part of the course is important because it gives ample opportunity for the students to use and learn concepts to solve problems. This is an example of the video on solving examination questions. The key in the question is to extract the information from the question. Then choose the right formula to write an equation. And then solve the examination question. And you can see from here, we are extracting information from the question. This is another page from the questions section. Sometimes when the student do an exam question, they need to know certain things. For example, in this question, the student need to know the electric field strength at a point and the electric potential gradient at that point, the relationship between these two. Since this is very important, it is put into the questions to remind the student how important it is. Part 4, changes to the syllabus. The latest Cambridge Board syllabus has undergone some changes. Some topic has been removed. You can see from here, the topic removed are the communication, electronics, NMR, and band theory. Some topics have been added, especially astronomy and cosmology, PET scanning, and discharging a capacitor. Some topics have been moved. Measurement techniques, LDR and thermistor has been moved from A level to AS, and uniform electric field is moved from AS to A2 or A level. In part 5, we will discuss the importance of education. Education is an important component to upgrade yourself. If it's not the only component that you can use to upgrade yourself, please subscribe to this course to give yourself an opportunity to upgrade your abilities to a point where you're able to open more doors in the future. Subscribing to this course will not only give you access to the course material, but it also provides you access to tutors that will assist you for the upgrade. You will appreciate the usefulness and effectiveness of this course. Students are encouraged to post feedback on the subject contents and other relevant stuff so that we can enhance the effectiveness of future videos. Thanking you in advance and see you in the course.